A decision by the Supreme Court today is letting states decide if they want to allow gambling on both professional and college sports.
It struck down a 1992 federal law that prohibited sports betting in most states except Nevada. Amanda Quintana is here with how this decision could make an impact right here in Wisconsin.
Yes, well, when asked today, Governor Walker said it will not make an impact in the state at all. Sports gaming is not allowed in Wisconsin. That's in the state constitution and the state tribal compacts. New Jersey and 18 other states are already in favor of legalizing sports gambling, hoping to bring in more tourism and tax revenue. Some are hoping after seeing the success of those states, maybe a few years from now, Wisconsin will follow. In this small Madison office, sports news is on every screen.
Our company gives sports information to people who play games and contests, and now there are going to be, more games and contests that they can play.
For RotoWire president, the Supreme Court's decision to strike down the law prohibiting sports gambling could bring more people to his fantasy sports site. Some sports bettors already use their information.
At the end of the day, if it makes sports fans more into sports, they're going to consume more sports stuff, information, products, and that's good for me and our business and largely the sports world.
The 6-3 ruling lets states decide if they want to make sports gambling legal and in what capacity, online, in casinos, or in sports bars. Since 1992, that's only been allowed in Nevada. But seeing a betting booth outside Camp Randall anytime soon, those odds aren't very good, since Wisconsin state law and tribal compacts prohibit sports gaming at all.
So between the Constitution and the compacts that are in place already in the state of Wisconsin, it really won't have a bearing one way or the other in Wisconsin.
Peter Shanke still has hope Wisconsinites could be betting on the Packers or the Badgers one day.
There's a lot of hurdles that it has to go. Wisconsin's one of the more difficult states to pass this kind of legislation. But if the people in the state want it, if it's something that everyone gets behind, it could definitely happen.
Shanke says today's decision just opens up the possibilities that many in the sports industry have been dreaming about. He just hopes that fantasy gaming doesn't get lumped in with gambling laws, since he says fantasy is more skill than luck.